Echo sounders play a crucial role in the navigation of merchant ships, allowing us to accurately measure the depth of water beneath our hulls. This technology is essential for safe passage, especially in shallow waters, where even a small miscalculation can lead to disaster. So, how does it work? At its core, an echo sounder operates on a simple principle. It sends out sound waves into the water. When these waves hit the seabed, they bounce back to the device. By measuring the time it takes for the sound waves to return, we can calculate the depth of the water. This process is based on the speed of sound in water, which is approximately 1,500 meters per second. Now, there are different types of echo sounders used in the maritime industry. The most common are single beam and multi-beam echo sounders. A single beam echo sounder sends out one sound wave directly beneath the ship, providing a single depth measurement. While this is effective for basic navigation, it can miss underwater features. On the other hand, multi-beam echo sounders emit multiple sound waves across a wider area, creating a detailed map of the seabed. This technology is particularly useful for surveying and can reveal underwater hazards that a single beam system might overlook. An important concept to understand is the Doppler effect, which can affect our readings. As the ship moves, the frequency of the sound waves changes, which can lead to inaccuracies if not properly accounted for. It's essential to calibrate the echo sounder regularly to ensure precise measurements. However, even with the best equipment, we can encounter common reading errors. Factors like water temperature, salinity, and even the presence of marine life can interfere with sound wave propagation. Therefore, it's vital to cross-check readings with other navigational tools and maintain a keen awareness of our surroundings. Safety practices are paramount when using echo sounders. Regular training and drills should be conducted to ensure that all crew members understand how to operate the equipment effectively. Adhering to International Maritime Organization (IMO) and Safety of Life at Sea (SOLAS) regulations is not just a legal requirement, it's a commitment to safety at sea. These regulations guide us in maintaining our echo sounders and ensuring they are in good working condition. Maintenance is key to the longevity and reliability of echo sounders. Regular inspections should be conducted to check for any signs of wear or damage. Cleaning the transducer, which is the part that sends and receives the sound waves, is also critical. A dirty transducer can lead to inaccurate readings, so it should be cleaned according to the manufacturer's recommendations. In summary, echo sounders are indispensable tools for merchant ships, providing vital information about water depth and seabed conditions. Understanding their working principles, types, and the importance of safety and maintenance ensures that we navigate safely and efficiently. By adhering to best practices and regulations, we can protect our vessels and crew while exploring the vast oceans.